my sister was a music teacher, and my daddy was a preacher, and it was mandatory for us to try to do some type of gospel singing. It started when I was a youngster, and this is one of them things, man. But we had some pretty rough times on the road, traveling around. For real though, he's one of the blind boys of Alabama.
I know
He's not joking.
I know who he is. I used to watch him on public television with my mom when I was a kid.
All right then.
You're the only one left, aren't you?
It's two of them.
One more. Two of them left?
Yeah. Two original.
Yep, I knew exactly who you were.
You remember the time, Rossville?
Yeah.
In Cleveland, Texas?
Yeah.
We was on stage down. Something happened, man. You made a step like you fell off the stage.
Yeah.